Hello, we are excited to see your thoughts on our first design of the DOGFEEDER5000. I'm Will. I'm a senior at IU majoring in comprehensive design and minoring in urban planning.
And I'm Ian. I'm a junior majoring in comprehensive design and minoring in interior design. So the elementary school kids challenged us to develop a chore machine, one capable of accomplishing a variety of chores at a single go, including washing dishes, ironing clothes, and prepping meals. As exciting as that concept is, we opted to work to a single activity in attempt to make it easier in an attempt to make it easier. After offering a range of options, including a pet food dispensing service, a grocery delivery service, and a clothes folding device, the kids opted for a dispensing service. So we moved with developing that one. Wanted to make something new and exciting, not a run-of-the-mill dog dish, something more exciting and cool. Our first design consisted of a dish with a trap door that dispensed food with a button was pushed by the owner. The food traveled down pipes and then into the plate for consumption by the pet.
After presenting our idea to the kids, they asked for some changes. Instead of having the kids feed the dog, they wanted the dog to feed itself. To make that happen, we added a pressure plate at the bottom. When the dog steps on it, the trap doors open and the food is released. We kept the clear tubes because watching the food roll down into the trays was a big part of the fun. However, we realized that if there were no limits, the dog would just keep stepping on the plate and feeding itself over and over again. To prevent this, we added a blocker so the dog couldn't actively like open the trap door and eat at the same time. It didn't feel right to have the dog just sit there and eat the whole time. The materials we considered were using oak and high-grade pine plywood. These woods were easily obtainable and had an inviting look with different colors. The wood in the picture used quarter-inch plywood for most of the wood components. Wood is a hard, Oak is a hardwood, and marine-grade plywood is water resistant. And that is a consideration because dogs are pretty gross. The mechanism, which will be explained in detail next, relies on springs, wires, and 3D printed components in an effective manner. It also utilizes transparent tubing for food to pass through, and the entire frame can be built with nails or screws. So I can break down how the mechanics of this thing works. Starting at the bottom, when the pressure plate is pushed, it pulls the wire connected to the spring at the top of the tower. The spring is attached to an arm that pushes open the trapdoor, allowing food to drop down into the funnel and through the tubes. The arms of the mechanism move slowly with the help of 3D printed pegs, keeping everything aligned. The trapdoors at the top are held shut by springs inside the hopper, and when the pressure plate isn't pressed, the springs will keep those closed. The trapdoors have small notches that give the arms a place to go, so it's not just sliding off the trapdoor, but it's going into a notch. That will make the pushing force of those arms a little better. Um, yeah.
So this was our first prototype that we made for cardboard, foam board, nails, and springs. It helped us test the basic mechanics, but using a sturdy wood base and custom 3D printed parts will make the final design a lot more effective, like we said. We'd love to hear your feedback for our presentation and how you might change it. Our goal is to design a machine that's clear, easy to build, and well crafted. So let us know your thoughts and your critiques are wanted.
Thank you.
Thank you.